So here is a demonstration. I have a collection of these kind of 8 objects. Each contains a unique different colors. And then there is a collection. There is a node tree that I'm instancing these different objects. The whole point is that I'm shuffling the list without the overlapping. So you can take a look with the colors and matching the shapes. And let's change the seed so that I'm shuffling the list. So we only have 1 yellow cubes throughout each different kind of seeds. And you can just shuffle the list. This method can be done in 3.0. This workaround may not be very pleasant, but it's definitely workable. The whole principle of this entire whole thing is that within the index, so there is a new node tree that is creating the index with a world modifier. So if I break down this entire process, so let's go through the vertices. So if I apply the geometry node tree, then you can see there is a overlapping points, but with a world modifier, you can see the list has been changed. So you can pass these informations to the index that's used to instance all these kind of different points. Then you can shuffle the entire list. So this is the concept.